Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Canva download location. So first of all, just open your web browser and go on top right corner, click on these three dots and go to settings. Alright, here, search location. Now press enter. Okay, now here as you can see, location. Click on change and select the location where you want your Canva files to be downloaded. So this is applicable for every software, every website. You will download your files. For example, if I download my file from any other site, it will be downloaded to that specific folder. So I hope you understand that this change will not only affect your Canva downloads location, it will affect all the website location. So that's it for the video. That's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.